tooth hurt?
Yeah, no. Morning, duty bears. Woo! Ready for school? Yeah, good move, girl.
Like an Eskimo.
So, Dominic, did the tooth fairy come to you?
Yeah.
Let me see. Show it to me. That's just your food. Uh-huh. So, I had to switch our camera up. It used to be the one on top of the garage. Our router went out, and so Google Fiber had to come out and replace it. But because it was out, all of my stuff that ran off of a certain Wi-Fi had to somehow get reset, which I think I've gotten everything except for that camera, which is up on the top of the house because it is way up there. I need a really long ladder, which I don't have, and I need to borrow from a neighbor, but it's been cold, it's been windy, and I really don't want to go way up on a ladder. I don't know if you've ever seen this episode. So, yeah, I don't think I want to be up on ladders again, but I kind of have to if I want that camera to work. But anyway, I just placed one in a window for now. Yeah, it works. Anyway, welcome to the vlog. Hudson getting ready to roll to school. Dominic is up early today because on Tuesdays, by the way, it's Tuesday, he has choir. So he's going to be rolling out the door for that here in just a bit. He goes in about 40 minutes earlier than usual.
Also, there's, I have the Chiefs jersey on.
Yeah, you got your own jersey that your uncle got you.
Yeah.
He's got my number on it because my brother got us both jerseys, like matching jerseys. Technically, today is supposed to be Travis Kelce Day, so it should be an 87 with Kelce on the back, but we don't own that jersey, do we? No, we have our own jerseys and Patrick Mahomes. Anyway, yeah. Super Bowl is coming up, so I hope anyone's excited for that. I don't know what's going to happen for today. It is just a Tuesday, but we're getting back into vlogging, so... And I mean, yeah, and she had just went in the other room for something. I did not introduce our new nurse, Raina.
Hello,
so
guys.
Raina was doing like every other weekend, but now she's going to do maybe some more.
Yeah,
a little
3 to 4.
3 to 4. Yeah. Finally, a nurse, because we haven't had a nurse since August. Duty butts. All right. Well, long as she's awake at school.
She slept good. She's just like, it's bright in here. I'm in my zen. You in your zen mode?
All right, it's about 11 o'clock, and Casey just headed off for lunch with a client. She's going to like a Thai place, but she was like, you want me to bring you some back? And I thought, man, Patang curry sounds great. But I actually have I have some leftover like spicy teriyaki chicken, and so I'm just making some rice and having that. So like similar food that doesn't cost an arm and a leg. She's going to a really nice, expensive Thai place. So I was going to show you one of the changes that I made over the weekend. So let's see. Oh, wait, let me stop this and turn the lights on. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I had to I do it with my phone because the lights were all like blue down here in the basement. There are these Wi-Fi lights like Philips. Anyway, when we first moved here, we had a big sectional here in the basement. And then I traded that a few years ago for, I traded it straight up for the kind of, they're not actually leather, but like the leather set that we have. And then I've always thought, well, let's just show you. So see, the couch over there is missing. And that's because it's up there. I actually built this platform over this weekend. Last week, I told Casey, I said, I think I'd like to do this. We're having a Super Bowl party. So that's just wood right now. I'm going to cover it maybe in carpet. And then if we take this carpet out and do floors, I'll cover it in flooring. But my brother-in-law, Troy, lumber company, so he got me some of the lumber. Actually, all of the lumber. And Casey thought, well, when are you going to do that? It's really cold out. And I said, yesterday, 2 days ago, Sunday, it was really warm out, like fake spring. So I said, I'm doing it today. So I knocked this out in about 4 hours time, and we got it moved up. This is just an old rug that I had in the garage. Anyway, it is all done, and we have this awesome theater seating, but this amazingly huge space down here. This big space. So we moved Dominic's Lego table over there, and he's actually put his Legos up in the windowsill for now. But we're going to use that to put food on. And yeah, really excited about having a Super Bowl party. Now that we've got, you know, a big old TV. I don't know how many people are coming because my neighbors that I invited, 2 of them are actually having Super Bowl parties. So I think we're going to just like bounce around between everybody's houses. I'm so proud of myself. I knocked that out in one day. It's 6 foot by 8 foot. And it's awesome. We've been sitting up there. Now that we have a night nurse, Raina, that you saw from this morning, and a couple of others that are kind of filling in now and then, they're here at night. So they're hanging out and they're watching TV with us. And then they end up sitting in the choice spot next to Hudson. And then maybe one of us could sit there next to the nurse. And then the other person was sitting over here on the side with their like neck turned sideways trying to watch the TV. So now we're stacked up. 5 people, 6 people for that matter, can sit here and watch shows straight on. We have contemplated getting rid of that and maybe putting another sofa over there. Just, I mean, we've got the space down here for it, and with family coming and all that, maybe we'll put like a hideaway bed or something. If you watched the Disney cruise video episodes, or 4 of them, by the way, I had mentioned these whole story meals. This is not sponsored by them, of course. These are actually supplied to us by our DME. It's worked out great for us. In fact, we're only going to be doing, we're actually this month taking a month off of doing blends, and then just going to do maybe a few blends for the month that we make, and then we're just doing these. It is so much easier because we can just take 1 scoop. 1 scoop is 100 calories. Each bag is 2,000 calories. And so with Hudson on 1,000 calories a day, I mean, come on, it works out great. Loaded with fiber. Here's all the info. And yeah, you can like pause that and read the ingredients for that one. Here, I'll show you the vegan one. They have plenty of other flavors, but these are the ones that we have right now. But here's the vegan one, and you can see calorie setups there and ingredients. Anyway, if it's an option for you, you should check it out. In fact, I just got these from Walmart, these shaker bottles, right? $5. Let's see, here's one. So that little doohickey goes in there and shake it up. So we'll fill this about 22 ounces of water, and then we put 3 scoops of the whole story meal in there, shake it up, and she's ready to go. And in fact, I often do it with warm water. Her meals always were cold because we kept them in the fridge, you know, took them out of the freezer and into the fridge, and then they were cold. So she gets warm food often. By the way, I had to switch that when I was doing the lights too, because Chiefs red. Anyway, yeah, back to regular vlogging as much as I can, of course, because I need new stuff to share. It's hard to just walk around my house and tell you stuff. I'm gonna sit down, eat some lunch, and then we'll get the kids off the bus here because I don't have anything else to share except for I'm sitting and doing some paperwork. All right, Dominic's home from school. I have been editing this morning the review that I did on some baby wipes, and that's my first like actual review. I don't know, I gotta figure out the format a little bit, but if I put it up, I liked it. But what do you got? You were gonna show me something?
I finished this Chiefs picture.
Whoa, dude.
It's probably backwards on the camera. Maybe.
No, it's right ways. That's cool. Yeah. You're doing really good at staying in the lines anymore. And I remember you did these too. I got these over here that you did. Here, show the hosters those.
Then I made this.
Yeah. You're getting fired up for Sunday, aren't we?
Then I made this.
Nice. Real nice.
And also, if you can see the orange on there, it's for the visor.
Oh, okay.
The orange is the visor.
The what?
Face.
Oh, I see. Okay, gotcha. Already brought Hudson in, and we actually have a new nurse coming by for tonight, but she's supposed to be showing up in about the next 5 minutes or so. So, gonna get her all lined out with Hudson. What are you doing, dude?
I'm gonna go play my game.
Oh, cool. Go play your game. It's Tuesday. You don't have anything to do tonight, right?
I have to take out the trash.
Good job. Hey, I got the hopsters here. Oh, I see you already said good morning. Can you say anything else to us? Let me clear it for you. Can you talk to us, please? Hudson Ann? Hey, Can you tell the Hopesters anything? Can you say hello? Or can you say, how are you? Can you look up there and tell us anything? Yeah, the Hopesters didn't believe that you can actually use that. Can you prove to them that you know how to use it? Well, flip your head over there and say something. Do you think you can do it for us? Come on, duty buds. I know you just got home from school and you're always sleepy tired, but can you tell us anything? Can you use your speech device and talk for us, please? Your mom's in there in a meeting. You gotta say something quick. Hurry. Hurry, duties. No, you're not gonna talk for me today? Maybe later? Well, what? Why don't you say anything? You're just watching your water go through, aren't you? I know, it's pretty cool. Okay, we're waiting. Is this a dramatic pause? Is that what we're doing? I hear your voice in your voice box, but can you use your talking machine to actually tell us something? I know you like to use your voice, but can you use your other voice that says words? Huh? Hello? Oh, duties. Oh, there she is. There's the new nurse. All right. I can't be waiting now. All right. I don't know if she likes being on camera, so we'll find out and we'll see. All right. New nurse is here. And I don't know if you're okay with being on camera.
Maybe not.
Okay. She's. I told you that maybe. We always never know. Anyway, Hudson's done some of her greetings for her, and so anyway, I'm gonna head upstairs, get some editing done, and then we'll probably close out the night. I got editing to do. God, that looks so cool. Maybe you saw that in the thumbnail. That'd make a good one, wouldn't it? I said I was gonna like close it out later. I think I'm actually gonna close it out now. It's gotten just a little bit darker. It's actually only like 10 minutes later, but I've just fed the dogs and let them out. I was going to point out, we'll probably wait until Cherry gets up here, but I had to take her to the vet yesterday. So all weekend she's had this cough. The dog just like clearing her throat, kind of a cough, a dog cough. Taking her to the vet didn't find anything as far as we didn't do x-rays or MRIs or anything like that. And she said, okay, we're going to try to treat first. So she's given her an antibiotic and this cough medicine. So wrap it up in cheese. Fortunately, if you wrap it in a ball of cheese and just toss it to her, she catches it and swallows it immediately and does not know that the medicine's in there. Anyway, I just finished editing that review. So I'm going to get it out live. I am going to end this like we used to and remind you that to the world, you may be one person, but to one person, you may be the world. So go be somebody's world. Yeah, I don't want to film downstairs with a nurse that's kind of temporary and not comfortable with being on camera. So I'm just not even going to mess with like going down there with the camera and such. So it's the end of the day. So thanks for watching. And that's just kind of what today's vlog is. Come on, girls. What's up, coughs? Your sister always takes longer. How's your cough? There it is. How's your cough? Huh? What are you doing? Oh, what is that? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. She doesn't have a fever, so we'll see. You just got your cough medicine. Go drink some more water. You're gonna be okay. Astrid! Here she comes. Come on, old lady. Oh, somebody's speedy. Bye, guys.